I'm not running Demolitionist right now, which would be.
That's right, Royal Gordon community. Royal Gordon Productions is about to reach 100 subscribers. He only needs 2 subscribers to get 100 subscribers. Let's hear what some of Royal Gordon's friends have to say. Okay, we gathered up some of Royal Gordon's friends that are my friends too. Let's hear what they all have to say about Royal Gordon reaching 100 subscribers.
Oh, hello, Royal Gordon community. I'm Percy, and Royal Gordon is one of my favorite friends.
Including me, Percy? Thomas, get out of this. This is my turn to say about what Royal Gordon, about 100 subscribers. Okay. Well, Royal Gordon, as Thomas said, you only need 2 more subscribers to reach 100. So you go get it, Royal Gordon.
Exactly. Royal Gordon, you can do it. Come on. You're a strong engine. Come on. 100 subscribers. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. And Royal Gordon, you're one of the best YouTubers ever. So, as Edward said, go get it. You only need 2 subscribers left to reach 100. Let's go, RG! Let's go, RG!
Hello there, I'm Toby the Tram Engine. You might have seen 2 of me in the Wooden Railway 2024 collection video. That wasn't really anything special. But I am grateful for Royal Gordon having us in his possession. Go Royal Gordon for 100 subscribers. Hello, I am Gordon. The number 4 Blue Engine. I might be Royal Gordon's mascot, but I'm still grateful for him. As Rebecca said, go RG! Go RG!
Okay, that was technically all us saying about Royal Gordon reaching 100 subscribers. Let's see what else everybody else has that are not a part of the Steam team. Let's hear from them, shall we? Okay, now let's hear what everyone else has to say about Royal Gordon reaching 100 subscribers.
Hello, Royal Gordon community. I'm Duncan, and if you're all wondering, yes, I'm Scottish. So, please get Royal Gordon to 100 subscribers. Please, he has to do it. Come on, Royal Gordon. Buenos dias, Royal Gordon community. I'm Victor, and this is my friend, Kevin.
Hello, everybody. I'm Kevin.
And yes, I'm the one who always goes, "Oops, sorry boss, a slip of my hook."
What?
Kevin, get out of here. Okay, that was kind of weird. Rosie, do you want to go next?
Sure, Thomas.
Hi, Royal Gordon community. I'm Rosie, the red engine. I used to be painted pink. Okay, Rosie, no need to break the 4th wall. But what do you have to say about Royal Gordon's community? Oh yeah, I wanted to congratulate you, Royal Gordon. So please, get him to 100 subscribers. Okay. Bash, Merlin, who wants to go next?
I guess I will. Hi, Royal Gordon community. I'm Bash, the logging loco. Sorry about my fault, but Royal Gordon, you're so close to 100 subscribers. Let's do it, man. Bye. Merlin, you go next. Okay. Well, I'm Merlin, and I can go invisible. But all I have to say is, invisibility on!
Where'd he go?
I'm over here. Not over there. Over here. And as I like to say about Royal Gordon's community, Royal Gordon, is the best YouTuber ever. So, as he always says, Royal Gordon, coming through! Konnichiwa, Royal Gordon community. Hero, and I am from Japan. And no one in Japan knows about Royal Gordon's YouTube channel. So if you're all in Japan, subscribe! Go Royal Gordon and friends. Hero, you forgot your tender. Oh, sorry, Thomas. I guess I'll go next. Well, Royal Gordon, even though I'm a Diesel and you're not really much of a Diesel fan, but I congratulate you anyway for almost 100 subscribers. So as Thomas and all his other friends said, subscribe please so he can get to 100. Yay!
I guess I'm going last. You do it, Caitlin. Thank you, Thomas. Yes, and I'm Caitlin, a streamlined engine from the mainland. So subscribe for him to reach 100 subscribers. And now for me, Thomas the Tank Engine. Come on, Royal Gordon, you're almost there. You can get just 2 more subscribers, then you reach 100 subscribers. All wooden railway engines, choo-choo! Everyone, please get me to 100 subscribers. Please.